So I've been working on this project probably for a good year or more, I don't know, on and off. So this is a Hobbytown of Boston kit, and basically it's just built from the ground up. It's a locomotive you put together yourself. Just to go over with you a few things about these kits. This chassis, you have to cut it. Here's the place where I had to cut it, because you have to cut it to mount to the shell that you have, right? And there's an extensive amount of filing to be done, and everything you see is basically a little individual part and piece. All requires filing. So the trucks are several pieces, and the motor, the whole thing comes apart. I mean, 3 flywheels here. I mean, gear assembly. You can see it's quite a bit more technical, complicated than your regular, locomotive. Anyways, I got a decoder wired into it. It's just a straight, 2-function decoder, and basically I'm at the point where it's just fine tuning, and I gotta oil, grease it, and I gotta mask it off and paint this bare metal like a flat black kind of color. In terms of what am I using this for, I'm doing this with a Tyco engine. Here you go. So it's kind of like putting a Pinto or Corvette engine in a Pinto kind of thing. So yeah, who has a DCC Tyco engine? No one. So yeah, this locomotive is a $5 locomotive at any show, piece of junk, but I'm taking it and vastly improving it, right? So to me, it's a fun project, something to do, right? And this locomotive has been really a labor of love kind of thing, and it's been a lot of work just fine-tuning it, and enjoyable project. And same goes with the shell. I mean, there's a lot of fine-tuning with the shell, just in terms of milling out the cavity just to fit, and a lot of work here gone into this. But the only thing I have to do yet is I have to get some liquid electrical tape, just to stop the light bleed kind of thing. So I'm going to work on that. Again, I got to paint this a flat black. The truck side frames, I have to paint those as well. Stop the light bleed. I have to make handrails yet. So I know Tyco released some handrails with it, but this is partially complete, so I have to make the other handrails. And I'm thinking about just getting some bits of styrene and filling in these little squares where the original chassis had fit. I'm also thinking about getting some more styrene and just sort of filling in that cavity there too. It's not needed now because it's going to have a KD coupler on it, so rather than the Tyco horn hooks. So when I'm done, it'll be a locomotive just as good as like a Proto or something like that. KD couplers, DCC, going to be a unique locomotive. Again, fun project. So there's my Hobbytown of Boston kit build. It's probably about 90% done. Fun project. Alright, we'll talk to you later. Bye.